Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Let's see. We have here the diamond, coins, music, healing crystals, broom, playing cards, and candle. Okay, tingnan natin. The moon, star. Oh, moon and star. Lovers, uy. Four of Wands. The Empress, aba. Ang dami nating major arcana. Five of Wands, Tower, Page of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay. So, maring twin flame in separation to with the Tower, Lovers, Four of Wands, Coins. Ang lakas ng twin flame energy dito na in separation. May mga zodiac signs tayo dito specific. Pisces, Cancer, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. May nawala rito parang bula ng ghost. The Cause and Tower moment. Dahil sa mga conflicts na to. Pagtatalo. Ayan. After ng major parang conflicts na to, hindi na siya nagparamdam. Ayan, gumuho na lahat. Yung mga pundasyon and nagkaroon ng third party scenario with the coins. You're trying to heal na from this connection. Pero, saka lang niya na-realize na you are this diamond na nabitawan pa niya. So, gusto niya ulit makapag-collaborate with you or mag-offer sa'yo ng business proposal. And this person is still manifesting you. Spread Your Wings by Archangel Ariel. Do not hold back right now. The timing is perfect and you're ready to soar. So, it's a go signal kung ano man itong decision mo. Pero this person is parang sinasabi niya kung may babalik lang niya yung nakaraan, hindi niya hahayaan na gumuho ito in tower na yan. Kung ano man yung binuo nyo noon. Pero syempre, nasa huli lagi ang pagsisisi. Ayan. You're so sweet and caring. So, ito yung mga characteristic mo na namimiss niya. You excite me. Tired and need rest. You're my rest and my healer. Kasi ikaw yung rest and healer niya eh. Kapag pagod na siya sa mundo or sa trabaho or kung saan man, sa nakakapagod na mundo, ikaw yung pahinga niya. Pero, ang nangyari, sa konting conflict, sumuko siya and naghanap siya ng iba. You're my inspiration, waiting for you, proud of you, I'm addicted to you, and I'm isolating myself to reflect. So, marami siyang iniisip ngayon, nag-iisip-isip, nagre-reflect. Tingnan natin more messages. We will be together again. I know that I crossed the line with you, Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. You speak to me through music. So, naalala ka niya kapag ayan with the music card and then this one confirmation. Marami nakakapagpaalala sa kanya tungkol sa'yo, lalo na kapag nakikinig siya ng music or may mga theme song kayo. Not available. I don't know how hard it was to let you go. It's time for me to heal now, so parehas kayo. I want to tell you how I feel. I look for you everywhere, pero hinahanap ka pa rin niya. Kuha tayo ng initials. Letter V, H, M, T, L, nahulog si C, S, letter O, Q, W, F, and letter U. Kuha tayo ng blue card. Confessions. And ayan na nga, guilty. Mirroring. So, maring parehas kayo, marami kayong gustong sabihin sa isa't isa. And let's see sa general signs and messages. Weird. Scorpio. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Cup is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Chaser. Neighbor. Cold City. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. January. Mirror card, Trustworthy, North, PH. Number 4, Cute and Chubby. Sarcastic, South, PH. Virgo. July, and coins, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.